Good morning, everyone. My name is Kevin, and what we're going to do today is have some fun with homophones. Um, Now, the basic assumption that I'm making as we go forward here is that you already know what a homophone is, but just as a quick recap, homophones are basically words in the English language that might have different spellings but sound the same, or might be a word that actually has the same spelling, but that word might have different meanings, which is kind of weird. So again, to help us understand this a little bit more in depth, we're going to spend some time looking at a weird example of a homophone, and that is the word buffalo. What you may not have realized about the word buffalo is that it has three different meanings and uses. And what we're going to do today to help explain this is kind of have some fun with it. Enjoy.
To help us make sense of how buffalo can be used on its own in a sentence, we have to know the three different meanings of buffalo. In this case, in this map, we see Buffalo, New York. This is the proper noun usage of the word buffalo. It indicates a place on the map. Here is the American buffalo, the second interpretation of the word buffalo in the English language. It is meant to be a regular noun, indicating what you see here, which is the animal itself. This is not a buffalo, but is instead actor Mark Ruffalo, who will actually help us make sense of the third meaning of the word buffalo here in just a second. But please do not mistake this for an actual buffalo. This is the character Mark Ruffalo played in the Avengers film, known as the Hulk. Hopefully you already knew that. The Hulk can help us understand the third meaning of the word buffalo, because buffalo is also a verb which means to intimidate, and clearly the Hulk is a character that cannot be easily intimidated. So, here is the sentence that we have been talking about. Buffalo, 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 buffalo. And yes, that is an actual sentence. The blue buffalo is Buffalo the place. The brown buffalo refers to the animal, so the sentence starts, buffalo from buffalo. Then again we have buffalo the place in blue, buffalo the animal in brown, and then buffalo in red referring to intimidation. So the second part of the sentence reads, buffalo who are intimidated by other buffalo in the town of Buffalo. The sentence then finishes with buffalo the verb, buffalo the place, and buffalo the animal. The sentence then finishes, those same buffalo also intimidate other buffalo from Buffalo. So basically the sentence finishes, buffalo from Buffalo who intimidate other buffalo in Buffalo also happen to intimidate other buffalo from Buffalo.